First we click on this, then add an interaction to it. Select scroll. The action selects path navigation. We give it a name. Select welcome one for the object. Select the screen. Let's add a container to it. Resize the container. Change the color. Let's insert another text box. Type the text. Change the text color to white. Done. Then let's insert another screen. In this screen we insert a container. Modify the container size and the color. After that, insert an image. Select the image you want to insert in the material. Modify the image size. Modify the position of the image. Add an opacity of 40%. Modify the color of the outside container. Finally, insert another image. Select the logo you want to insert in the material. Change the size and position of the image. Finally, add a text box. Enter the text. Change the font size. Change the color to white. Adjust the line spacing. Then we insert a container here. Adjust the size of the container. Cancel the background color of the container. Into this container we insert a container. Modify the color of the container. Add a gradient. Select This video gives you the second part of the tutorial example. In iPod, using three main components, container, text box, and photo, you can build application interfaces in a short time, and the component styles can be edited as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time.